Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chat Siri, or you can call me Siri for short. And first I want to say Happy New Year to everybody and thank you for watching my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of Glossier Oil Serum Hybrid. So first I want to say I was sent this product from prismpop app, and this is my first Glossier product. So this product is retail for $24. It is a skincare product. It is a shortcut of the way your skin looks after a full skincare routine. Dewy, glowing, careful in one long wearing product. So what's so special about this product? As it claimed on the website, is that it's nourishing oils that don't feel greasy immediately, give you a gleamy, well moisturized look that lasts up to 12 hours. Powerful plant-based extract works to make your skin look brighter instantly and over time. Use it as the last step in your skincare routine after moisturizer, serums, and sunscreen. Doesn't interfere with makeup, just make your skin dewier. But what I don't understand is that it says it is a shortcut way to have the full skincare routine look, but then it also tells you to use it after everything else that you use in your skincare routine. I'm like, But anyway, I don't have any skincare on me yet, so I'm gonna do that real quick and then I will be trying the Glossier product. Okay, I finished put all the skincare product, and this is my morning routine on my face, and I will put every single product that I use under my description box below. And now it's time for the Glossier Futuredew Oil Serum Hybrid. I do really like the pink glowing packaging, it's so cute. This bottle contains about 1 ounce of product, which is like typical for serum. And $24 is not crazy price, consider it is a serum. And this is what it looks like. It has the same color as the Fenty Beauty primer. And it has a slight scent, but it's like herbal scent. And as you can see, it's quite liquidy. Just gonna smear that on my hand so you guys can see. To be honest with you guys, this is not my first time using it, but it's gonna be my first time using it on camera. I already tried this a couple of times as directed. And that's just one pump. It's all over my hand. You can see the difference here, but it's not dry yet, so I'm gonna give it a minute to absorb on my hand. But now I'm gonna put it on my face. So say apply 2 pumps all over face as the last step in your skincare routine. Add more to the high points of the face for extra glow, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna apply all over my face. 1, 2. It's quite a lot of products for 2 pumps. It is feel like oil, like facial oil, but like thicker. I do like this herbal scent. And now back to my hand. You can see it's this one with the product and this hand is without product. And this is my face after everything. I don't think that my face will look dewier than without it, because I already have a good moisturizer. The moisturizer I use is from First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. And I think this is already enough without the Glossier. So in my opinion, I don't need this unless you want to use this as a replacement of moisturizer. I think that might work. Or if you just want to wash your face and go with this. But personally, for me, I don't need this product. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment down below, and that is it for my videos today, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!